Hello everyone, welcome to the series of SPSS. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to detect skewness in our data set. So whether we have any skewness or not and how to visualize it. You can find more videos on SPSS, RStudio, econometrics and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now we know that skewness is the measure of asymmetry of a distribution. So whether our data is positively skewed or negatively skewed or it is normally distributed. That means it has zero skewness. So here I have the data on three variables. Marks 1 that shows the marks of exam 1. Marks 2 is related to exam 2 and marks 3 is associated with exam 3. Now I want to check whether these three variables have any skewness or not. So let's find. You go to analyze, descriptive statistics and descriptives. Again, go to analyze, descriptive statistics and then descriptives. Here we have this dialog box. So we want to find the skewness for these three variables. So select them and move them to the variables box. Now click on options. Here you have multiple options, but we want to check the skewness. So select skewness and uncheck all the other options. Because we only want to check whether our data is skewed or not. Continue and click OK. Now, here you can see that data, this is our value. For exam 1, it is 0.09. For exam 2, it is 1.0. And for exam 3, it is -2. So we can say that exam 1 data, that is marks 1, this is related to marks 1, second is marks 2, and third is marks 3. So marks 1 has no skewness because the value is 0.09. Marks 2 is positively skewed because it is higher than 0. And marks 3 is negatively skewed because it is less than 0. It is -2.019. Now we want to visualize this through histogram. So let's see. Go to graphs, legacy dialogues, histogram. Graphs, legacy dialogues, histogram. Now first we will check for exam 1. That is marks 1. Here you can tick display normal curve. So that shows the normal curve on the histogram. Simply click on OK. And you can see the graph. So this is the normal curve or histogram for marks 1. You can see there is no skewness. Here the mean value is 31.13 and observations are equally distributed on both sides of the mean. So here we have the mean (31.1). So somewhere here, this is our mean line. So on both sides, on right side, on left side, observations are equally distributed. Now if you see for marks 2, see the difference. We have tail on the right side. And therefore, this data is positively skewed. So here if we see the mean value, it is 21.93 somewhere here. And most of the data are on the left side of the mean. Few observations are on the right side. That means they are outliers. Now let's see for exam 3. So select exam 3. Here you can see the tail on the left side. And therefore it is negatively skewed. See the value of mean, it is 35.87, somewhere here. Most of the observations are to the right of the mean, and only few observations are here, which are known as outliers. So this is how we can compute the skewness and visualize the data. So again, if we see the value of skewness here, see exam 2, it is 1.043 positively skewed, and exam 3 is negatively skewed. So this is the idea of skewness using SPSS. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.